and now Madrid fans nyina yere aho say ye twa adwo say Arsenal gu anum ase fi say wa hye 2-1 in the second leg. First leg no na ebusuan 3-0 inti aggregate no ekoye 5-1. Now enso NAPO say wa man lawyers actually crata tintin dia koma Obi AMPONSAH, one of the best comedy skit makers in the country. Any stand-up comedies abusia mechemu on the bano comedy yenye stand-up comedy I say odamufua na no okoye show bia eno okokan NAPO nsem wo say His Excellency the Vice President for the former government Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na during the 2024 campaign no say Bawumia to me campaign as ochi enipa 10 about the new patriotic party no NAPO no ansem etime 7 fidi so.
Look, Bawumia can win 10 votes. NAPO will say something, 7 will clear. You guys saw it. You guys saw it. Don't put it on me. You guys saw what NAPO was doing.
Amane kamiensa. Enye no kwa no kan se mebre Diagwara me fan sem ni na so we Kama Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. Na dey dikan ya me adoma no so ne fully on all the social media platforms. Afi my inform mo ransem ni na mu. Very simple. Obi AMPONSAH a comedy show, stand-up comedy bi ana or it's he is entertaining the people at the conference. I mean at the conference room hono. Na ohwe the comedy skits and you know comedians always have their way of making or saying whatever they have to say. Adibiche na adwen so a odebefa comedy so no de aka enye Obi AMPONSAH nkwa na say enye NAPO nkwa na aka no wasem by comedians okọ America okọ Europe or the continental comedians itimi fa ho e kan mo so asem kire even those in high esteem sana comedy etie as part of their work. Na in NAPO also ni interview a say na media no it me interfere na omo bisa nsem so oh na wotwe mu wa say o video bi trendy a say Obi AMPONSAH kan wasem no so one de wahu na a friendly thing who ni say Obi AMPONSAH po selling the deal without him knowing and say without taking money from him enti odana say nemum comedy no ojiska enti obama lawyers so ene ne nkofu actually 13 command say school nya no omunchem.
Sometimes we should exercise personal restraint in favor of a group dynamic, and I believe that people have sponsored sartorial people to go and do shows and mention NAPO. But I'm sure that I'm very, very happy, confident. I'm very, very happy about that because it's putting my name out there. In politics, I heard somebody said there's nothing like bad news in politics. Right? So you started. There's nothing like, you're 100% right. There's nothing like bad PR in politics, right? Your name has to be there, right? So if your name is at the end of part of jokes, refreshing people, your name will be in their minds. So I don't have a problem at all. I should be able to be in the field that I've decided to be able to stomach criticisms, stomach insults, stomach everything. But I ask, for those who are funding those things, will they be able to stomach their hearts? Maybe no, but I'm very, very happy to be at the center of some. He's making money with my name, right? He has to share the resources with me. Isn't he making money?
Who are you referring to?
The person the comic guy who was using me.
What's his name? Obi AMPONSAH. Obi AMPONSAH.
He had a room full and he was using me. And I think he's making money, so I'll let my lawyers contact him so that we share. Especially now that I'm an unemployed politician.
Oh, really?
Somebody who is a comedian is using my name and is filling calls. I'm very, very happy. I thank him because he's putting my name there out for free. But I'll let my lawyers write to me so that we share the proceeds, the revenue, because I'm unemployed.
No, I'm funny share emre no. We asem wa say ofu ba bia media ni bi so atwist asem na kan say there bi na posi omunsi Obi AMPONSAH busuante sa. The story is very simple say wo ka say Obi AMPONSAH jiska enti ni share because ni di and o dey make it comedy no. Otimi eko comedy no for like 20 minutes and over na po hu nsem nkwa. Na just say asem na re was say His Excellency, I mean His Royal Majesty, to vote to friend na pose there become. Kana for kan won some say there be CCC wo to bomb. Me na mtete o ye man hia ase enti mesrew. Mamma de Ghana for kan enye no kre. Unia pa no ho an wasan aba. Mo kwa me nkroma no.
Look, me, I didn't know much about NAPO. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I did not know much about NAPO Until like they put him in that vice presidential, because I knew him to be the minister for energy. I also knew him to be minister for education. I mean, he sacked teacher Kojo, but that's not the point. What? You guys know what he did to teacher Kojo, right? Yeah. So I knew him for that. And now he was a vice presidential candidate for MPP. Candidate for MPP. And because people knew NAPO's behavior, they told Otunfo to talk to NAPO. Remember, I've never seen a candidate that they will elect you or appoint you, but the chief will have to call you and advise you. Otunfo called NAPO and said, Mate Wonka. And Gofo Kika say, Umwade. But me and Matete War, call Nakoshe Menimonyam, my Bawumian Ninja, say, where you? NAPO tells him, yo, Mate. You know that advice when somebody gives you, you have planned something in your head already. So like, yo, okay, next day, rally. NAPO come and
Eti obi amponsa e kan Dr. NAPO ho nsem bri NAPO so in a friendly reply no and also tell say David sorry our man lawyers atcho akoma obi amponsa ene ne nkofo say David we di me di no yen ska kra ba ho tisa de yenche we news that is circulate and a very healthy and friendly reply no de ma obi amponsa enye something a Ghanaians should hold on say David NAPO is you obi amponsa ntesa. Thanks for joining us today. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. If this is your first time, click on the bell for any update TB and the best somewhere this platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, your favorite and the youngest content creator. Thanks for watching us today. I'm finally out.